Google just dropped some crazy NotebookLM updates. Gemini 3 integration, data tables, instant exports. You can turn research into content in seconds now. No more copy-paste hell. So Google just dropped some bombs on us. NotebookLM got 3 massive updates in December 2025. And I'm not exaggerating when I say this will change how you create content, how you do research, how you build your business. You need to know this right now, because this isn't just some cool feature, this is a full workflow automation tool. First update, Gemini 3 integration. NotebookLM now runs on Gemini 3. What does that mean? Better reasoning, better understanding, smarter outputs. But here's the kicker. You can now import your entire NotebookLM notebook into the Gemini app. Why does that matter? Because now you can combine your research with image generation. You can expand your projects. You can do online research, all in one place. So let's say you're building content. You've got a notebook full of AI automation strategies. You've got case studies. You've got client results. Now you can take that entire notebook, drop it into Gemini, and tell it to create graphics for your landing page. Or tell it to generate a comparison chart. Or tell it to build out a full presentation deck. It's all connected now. No more switching between 10 different tools, no more copy-paste nightmares. And the Gemini 3 upgrade means it understands context better. It gets what you're trying to do. It doesn't give you generic garbage. It gives you outputs that actually make sense for your business, for your audience. This is huge for anyone running an AI automation agency, because you can now research a topic, organize it in NotebookLM, and instantly turn it into client-ready deliverables. Second update, data tables. This one is insane. NotebookLM can now take all your messy sources and turn them into structured data tables, and then export them straight to Google Sheets. Think about that for a second. You upload a bunch of PDFs. You upload some transcripts. You upload some web pages. And NotebookLM looks at all of it and says, okay, let me organize this into a clean table for you. And boom, you've got a spreadsheet. Let's say you're doing competitor research. You find 5 competitor websites. You upload their pages to NotebookLM. You tell it to create a data table comparing their services, their pricing, their messaging. And it does it in seconds. Now you've got a competitor analysis spreadsheet ready to show your clients. Or let's say you're creating a lead magnet. You upload 10 articles about AI automation. You tell NotebookLM to extract the key strategies and put them in a table. Now you've got a checklist ready to go. Or here's another one. You're doing a strategy session with a client. You record the meeting. You upload the transcript to NotebookLM. You tell it to create a data table with all the action items, deadlines, and owners. And it does it. Now you've got a project plan in a Google Sheet. You can share it with your team. No manual work, no forgetting what was said. It's all structured and ready to execute. Right now, Data Tables is rolling out to Pro and Ultra users first, but it's expanding soon. So if you're serious about using NotebookLM, you'll want to grab Pro, because this feature alone is worth it. Think about how much time you spend organizing information, taking notes, building spreadsheets. This does all of that for you, automatically. All right, before I keep going, I want to tell you about something. If you want to learn how to save time and automate your business with AI tools like NotebookLM, you need to check out AI Profit Boardroom. We've got full walkthroughs on tools like this. We've got templates. We've got automations. We've got a community of people who are actually using this stuff to grow their businesses. No theory, no fluff, just practical systems that work. Link is in the description. Third update, enhanced visual content pipeline. NotebookLM already had some cool features earlier in 2025. Nano Banana Pro for infographics and slide decks. Mind maps for visualizing ideas. Multilingual outputs. Video overviews. But now, with Gemini 3 and data tables, you've got a complete pipeline. You can go from raw research to polished visual content without leaving the platform. And here's why this matters for your business. Most people waste hours doing manual research. They waste hours organizing notes. They waste hours creating presentations. With NotebookLM, you compress all of that into minutes. And the quality is better, because the AI is looking at all your sources at once. It's connecting dots you might miss. It's finding patterns you might overlook. Now let me show you some specific use cases. Use case 1, content creation for your agency. Let's say you need to create a case study for AI Profit Boardroom. You've helped a client automate their customer service with AI chatbots. You've got emails, you've got meeting notes, you've got results. You upload all of it to NotebookLM. You tell it to create a case study outline. It gives you the structure. You tell it to create a data table with the before and after metrics. You tell it to generate a mind map showing the implementation process. Now you've got a full case study ready to publish. Use case 2, client deliverables. You're running an AI automation agency. A client hires you to analyze their business and find automation opportunities. You research their industry, you research their competitors, you research available AI tools. You upload everything to NotebookLM. You tell it to create a data table comparing automation options. You tell it to generate a presentation deck with your recommendations. You tell it to create a mind map showing their current workflow and the optimized workflow. Now you've got a professional consulting package, and it took you a fraction of the time. Now, let's talk about some advanced strategies. Strategy 1, combine NotebookLM with deep research. Google added a deep research feature that integrates with NotebookLM. You can import deep research reports directly into your notebooks. Why is this powerful? Because deep research goes out and finds information for you. You give it a topic. It searches the web. It analyzes dozens of sources. It creates a comprehensive report. Then you import that report into NotebookLM. And now you can turn that research into data tables, infographics, presentations. This is perfect for market research, competitor analysis, industry reports. Strategy 2, use multilingual outputs for international clients. NotebookLM now supports multiple languages. So if you're working with clients in different countries, you can create content in their language. You do your research in English. You organize it in NotebookLM. Then you export it in Spanish, French, German, whatever language your client needs. This opens up huge opportunities. You can serve clients globally without language barriers. Strategy 3, use chat saves to build a knowledge base. NotebookLM now lets you save your chats. Every time you use NotebookLM to research a topic, save that chat. Every time you generate a useful output, save it. Now you've got a library of AI-generated insights that you can reference later. You can search through it, you can build on it, you can turn it into training materials or client resources. Let me talk about some mistakes to avoid. Mistake 1, uploading too much irrelevant information. NotebookLM works best when you give it focused sources. Be selective. Choose quality sources that are directly relevant to your goal. Mistake 2, not giving clear instructions. When you ask NotebookLM to do something, be specific. Don't just say make a table. Say create a table comparing these 5 competitors on pricing, features, and target audience. The more specific you are, the better the output. Mistake 3, not iterating. Your first output might not be perfect. That's okay. Ask NotebookLM to revise it. Ask it to add more detail. Treat it like a conversation. Mistake 4, not saving your work. Use the chat save feature. Export your outputs. Back everything up. Mistake 5, not exploring all the features. NotebookLM has a lot of capabilities. Don't just use one feature. Experiment. See what works for your workflow. Now, let's talk about speed. One of the biggest advantages of NotebookLM is speed. You can do in minutes what used to take hours or days. And in business, speed matters. If you can deliver faster than your competitors, you win. If you can create more content in less time, you win. NotebookLM gives you that speed. It's like having a team of assistants working for you, and the quality is high. It's not just fast, it's fast and good. Here's something else to think about. As AI gets better, the people who win will be the ones who adopt early, the ones who learn these tools, the ones who build systems around them. If you're still doing everything manually, you're already behind. Your competitors are using AI, you need to keep up, and tools like NotebookLM make it easy. You don't need to be a tech genius, you just need to be willing to learn and experiment. And that's what AI Profit Boardroom is all about. We teach you how to use AI tools to grow your business. We show you the workflows. We give you the templates. We help you implement. And if you want the full process, SOPs, and 100+ AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. It's our free AI community. Links in the comments and description. You'll get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 38,000 members who are crushing it with AI. So here's what I want you to do. Go to NotebookLM right now, create a free account, upload some sources related to your business, maybe some articles about your industry, maybe some competitor websites. Then start experimenting. Create a mind map, generate a summary, try the chat feature, see what it can do. Then think about how you can use this in your workflow. How can it save you time? How can it help you create better content? And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel, because I'm dropping AI updates like this all the time. Every time a new tool comes out, every time there's a major update, I'm breaking it down for you, showing you how to use it. No hype, no BS, just practical stuff that works. All right, that's it for today. Go check out NotebookLM. Go join AI Profit Boardroom. Go start building, and I'll see you in the next one.